Hello students, in this video we will be learning about practical methods for AM. See the first problem. An amplitude modulated amplifier has a radio frequency output of 60 watt at 100% of modulation. Internal loss in the modulator is 6 watt. What is the unmodulated carrier power? This is a common problem in the engineering service examination as well as in GATE. This is the 17 question in engineering service examination. Even in the 19 also same model came. So whenever we need to calculate the unmodulated carrier power, first we need to calculate the input power, students. I can say input power is nothing but output power plus how much is the loss. What is the output power? We given 60. What is the loss? 6. So 66 watts. So this we have to treat as a PT. What is the formula? PC into 1 plus mu square by 2. What is the mu value given? 1. So PC into 1 plus 1 by 2 means 3 by 2. Then what is PC equal to 2 by 3 into PD. PD is 66. Then it will becoming as 44 watts. Regular model, very important one. Whenever we need to calculate the carrier power, first get the input power. Input is loss plus output power, and I applied the formula. Clear? See the next problem. Very simple question. A sinusoidal audio signal is given by ES equal to 15 sine 2 pi 2000 t. If it modulates a sinusoidal carrier wave, EC equal to 60 sine 2 pi into 10 power 5 t. See the difference between message and a carrier. Frequency as well as amplitudes also. The value of amplitude modulation index. What is the amplitude modulation index? There are two practical methods I told, and here they given message and carrier means AM by AC. What is the AM value here? 15. AC value 60. So 1 by 4. So 0.25. This is also previous engineering service examination question, objective question for 2 marks. See, all questions are not tough. At least 30 to 40% of questions are like the same, directly based on the formulas. See the next problem. If a 400 watt carrier is amplitude modulated to a depth of 75%, what is the total power in the modulated wave? What is the total power? It's a common model of asking this model of questions, this type of questions. What they given? Carrier power is, students, they given 400 watt. And what is the percentage of modulation they given? 75%, 0.75. Total power formula, PT equal to PC into 1 plus mu square by 2, 0.75 whole square by 2. No need of calculator. This is our engineering service examination problem. Obviously, this is 400 plus half of the 400 is 200 into 0.75 into 0.75. What is the 200.75? 150 into this one. Obviously, 112.5 will come. 400 plus 112.5, 512.5 is the answer. In that manner, you need to solve. This is a regular model of problem. GATE problems we'll see. All the GATE problems also we'll see. Here I am taking some of the ESC problems as well as some general problems. All the GATE problems up to now also we will solve. Clear? See the next problem. In an amplitude modulated system, if the total power is 600 watt and the power in the carrier is 400 watt, then the modulation index is, he given total power. Total power means PT value is given 600 watt and a carrier PC is given 400 watt. Then what is the modulation index? What is the total power formula? PT equal to PC into 1 plus mu square by 2. Then obviously PT value 600, PC is 400. So I can say 1 plus mu square by 2 equal to 600 by 400. Obviously 3 by 2. Plus 1 comes this side, minus 1. So mu square by 2 equal to 3 by 2 minus 1. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 cancel. mu square equal to 1, mu will be 1 only. Of course, plus or minus, but modulation index cannot be negative. See the next problem. The time domain expression of AM signal is S of t equal to 20, 1 plus 0.9 cos 2 pi into 10 power t into cos 2 pi into 10 power 60 is radiated into free space using an antenna having a resistance of 5 ohm. Sketch the spectrum, calculate PT, PC, PUSB, LSB, SB and bandwidth and efficiency. All the parameters we need to calculate. From the expressions, are you getting my point? There are 3 types of problems are regularly asking. From the expressions, 3 type of problems are regularly asking. This is the one model. Are you getting my point or not? So what is the expression we are having in this format? You need to understand. If you clearly see, this is a singleton expression. Expression number 2. Try to write that singleton expression. What is the singleton expression? Same of t equal to AC into cos 1 plus 0.9 into cos 2 pi, of course, 1 plus mu here, sorry. 1 plus mu into cos 2 pi FMT into cos 2 pi FC, general expression. Sorry, singleton expression. Compare the both. If we compare the both, then what is the AC value? 20, mu value 0.9, FM value 10 power 4, FC value 10 power 6. Getting my point? What they are asking, first draw the spectrum. Okay, we'll draw the spectrum. Wait. Calculate PT. First to calculate PT, we need the PC value. And if you calculate this, then directly you will get the PT. Or first get the PC value. What is the PC formula? AC square by 2R. What is the AC value given? 20 square by, resistance is given 5. 20 square means 400 by 10. 400 by 10 means 40. Got my point? Next. Calculate the PT directly because mu value already there. So PT equal to PC into 40 into, following my point or not? 1 plus mu square by 2. What is the mu value? 0.9 whole square by 2. Then it will be 40 plus 40 by 2. So 20 into 0.9 into 0.9. So this will be 18 into 0.9. Are you getting? 18 into 1 you can take as a 18. But here 1.1 is decreased. So 1.8 you have to decrease. So in the 18, 1.8 if you decrease, 16.2. So plus 40. So 46.2 watt. Are you following my point or not? This is the total power. So then you calculate the sideband power. Sideband power is nothing but total power minus carrier power. I can say simple. So carrier power 40, total power 46. Then obviously this is 6.2 watt. Then what about each sideband? Maybe upper or lower, both the sideband will be same. That is PSB by 2. That is 3.1 watt. Next, what is asking? Is asking next bandwidth. Bandwidth is 2 FM. What is the FM value? 10 power 4. 2 into 10 power 4. Means I can say 20 kilohertz. What is the efficiency formula? Mu square by 2 plus mu square. Mu is 0.9 given. So 0.9 square by 2 into 0.9 square. Efficiency means into 100 you can take. Not sure, approximately I think 30% will come. Approximately. Next, what is asking? Spectrum. What is the spectrum of AM? Coming to the spectrum of AM, I am writing on the positive side. Same will be on the negative side also. What the components it is having? Singleton spectrum. Carrier frequency component existing at FC. What is the FC value? They given 10 power 6 means 1 megahertz. What is the strength? AC by 2. AC value 20, 20 by 2, 10. Next we are having upper side band at FC plus FM. FM value is given 10 power 4. 10 power 4 means 10 kilo. This is 1 mega, 1000. So 1010 K. Lower side band FC minus FM. 1000 minus 10, obviously 990. Both are having same strength. What is the strength? AC mu by 4. AC value given 20, mu value given 0.9. 20 into 0.9, 18, 18 by 4. Of course, you can calculate that. The same, this is frequency version. Same will also be in the negative version. So here, I calculated all the parameters, but in the general examination, anyone they will ask. So one type I discussed here based on the singleton expression given. By comparing with the standard expression, we will get the answers. If any expression given in the examination, try to compare with the exact standard equation in that format. See the next problem. The time domain equation of AM signal is S of t equal to 4 cos 180 pi t plus 10 cos 2000 pi t plus 4 cos 2200 pi t. Sketch the spectrum and calculate power bandwidth efficiency. This is another model of question asked on the time domain expression of a singleton AM. Try to recall what is the expression we are having in that format. Are you getting my point? Try to get what is the expression we are having in that format. What is the expression we are having in that format is standard expression. Try to recall expression number 3, which is AC cos 2 pi FCT plus AC mu by 2 into cos 2 pi FC plus FMT plus AC mu by 2 into cos 2 pi FC minus FMT. This is a standard expression we are having in that format of the given expression. Compare means comparing first term, second term, third term is a blunder. Comparing means there should be a valid comparison. Always in the standard expression, highest frequency corresponding to upper side band, lowest frequency corresponding to LSB, middle one is carrier. Even in the given expression also, you need to understand that the highest frequencies are corresponding to upper side band. Lowest frequencies are corresponding to lower side band. Middle one will be the carrier signal. Are you getting my point or not? If you compare the both, I will let the spectrum wait. If you compare the both, what is the AC value? The middle frequency, middle one will be the carrier term, so 10 volts. Then what is the frequency? Frequency will be nothing but 1 kilo divided by 2 pi. Then compare any upper side band or lower side band. If we compare upper side band, FC plus FM is 1100. Then what is the FM value? 1100 minus 1000, that is 100. Next, even compare the amplitude. AC mu by 2 value is given 4. Then mu value is 8 by AC. AC value is given 10. 8 by 10 means 0.8. First question they are asking, calculate the spectrum. I will draw it. Calculate the power. What is the power? Total power PT equal to PC into 1 plus mu square by 2. What is the PC value? PC is AC square by 2R. Are you getting? AC value 10. 10 square by resistance is not given, means take 1 ohm. 1 plus this is 0.8 whole square by 2. Then how much you will get? This is 10 square 100 by 2. 50 plus 50 by 2 will be 25 into 0.8 into 0.8. Are you getting my point or not? Then if you calculate, you will get, I can say 25, you can make as a 0.8 into 0.8, 0.64. So 0.64 means 64 into 25. 25 fours are 100. Are you getting my point? 6 are 125, 135. Then obviously this is 2 zeros are gone, 13. So approximately you will get as a 66 watts. Are you getting my point? Now we need to calculate bandwidth. Just you can check this one. Just mathematical calculations only. Then what is the bandwidth value? Bandwidth is 2 FM. FM value is given 100. We got 100. So 200. Are you getting my point? Next. What we need to calculate next one is efficiency. What is the efficiency? Mu square by 2 plus mu square. Mu value is 0.8 whole square by 2 plus 0.8 whole square into 100. This will be 0.8 means 24.24 percentage you will get. After getting all, then what we need to calculate? We need to calculate the spectrum. Draw the spectrum. In singleton AM we are having carrier frequency component existing at FC. FC is 1 kilo. What is the strength? AC by 2. AC value is given 10. 10 by 2, 5. Next we are having upper sideband at FC plus FM. That is 1100. FC minus FM 900. Strength is AC mu by 4. AC value given 10. 10 into mu 0.8. So 8. 8 by 4. 2. That is the spectrum. This is the another model of questions possibility from the second expression of a singleton AM. This is expression number 3 format. In GATE examination also regularly asking. Last year also given. Clear? See the problem. A carrier signal C of t equal to 5 cos 2 pi into 10t is modulated by a message signal 10 power, this is 10 power 5t, is modulated by a message signal m of t equal to 4 cos 8 pi into 10 cube t to generate an AM signal. Calculate bandwidth and power. So in a series of problems, this is the 7th one. If you can see the 5th and 6th one, 7th one, these are the 3 models. They might ask from the expression based. Are you getting my point or not? Here, what they are asking, bandwidth. Directly I am doing. What is the bandwidth of a AM signal? Twice the message signal frequency or message signal bandwidth. What is the frequency of a message signal divided by 2 pi? Because this is omega. If you divide by 2 pi, so 4 into 10 cube. So 8 into 10 cube. So 8 kilohertz. Getting my point. Next, what is asking power? Power of the AM signal. What is the total power formula? PT equal to PC into 1 plus mu square by 2. What is the PC, sir? PC is nothing but AC square by 2R. What is the AC value? Carrier is given. So 5 square. Any resistance value is given? No. So take 1 ohm. So 25 by 2. What about the modulation index? Any value specified? No. If any value specified, take it. Otherwise, AM by AC. What is the AM value? 4. AC value 5. Then substitute in the above formula. Total power PT equal to 25 by 2 into 1 plus mu square. So 16 square by 5 square will be 25 into 2. Sorry, 4 square will be 16, already squared. No? Then it will be 25 by 2 plus 25 by 2 into 16 by 25 into 2. 25, 25 cancelled. Then it will be 4 4s. This is 12.5 plus 4, 16.5. Power means watts. Getting my point? So 5, 6 and 7 problems based on the expressions in AM. Got my point? See the problem. The aerial current of a AM transmitter is 18 amperes when unmodulated, but increases to 20 amperes when modulated. the modulation index is, that is the problem. What is the relations are between current IT and IC as well as mu? I directly am writing mu equal to square root of 2 times IT by IC whole square minus 1. Here unmodulated means what is given, sir? Unmodulated means given is the carrier. How much is given carrier? 18. Modulated means 20 means total. Whole square minus 1. Solve it 0.684, you will get that. Now see the options. 0.68 is the correct. This you have to remember directly, then only you will get the answers. Means even from the previous formula also you will get by deriving this one, but time saving in the competitive examination is most important. So remember all the formulas directly without having any doubt or gap. Actually, if I want to say no need of writing this formula also, you have to write this one directly. Because unmodulated means IC, modulated means IT. Substitute and get the answer. Like you need to save your time in each and every problem. Then you are able to solve maximum number of problems. Then you will get the All India first rank. So that's why in competitive examination generally we will say how to get good ranks are by practicing more. How many years if you prepare for GATE examination? GATE examination is only for 3 years to change your life. Whether to get the PSUs, 20 lakhs per annum. Whether if you want to get the seat in IITs. Only the 3-hour duration. So you have to save your time in the problem solving. Formula should be in the mind. Go for the second or third step directly. See the problem. An AM wave with modulation index 0.8 has a total sideband power of 4.85 kilowatt. The carrier power and the total power radiated will be nearly. He given some options. When we are solving some of the problems in engineering service examinations, we can take the help of the options also, because calculator is not allowed. How we can solve in engineering service problems without calculator. You can also understand in this problem. Previously also I shown, here also you will get. What is asking? Carrier power. What is given? Modulation index and sideband power given. What is the relation directly? Sideband power to carrier power, PSB equal to PC into mu square by 2. Then what is PC? PSB. What is the PSB? 4.85 kilowatt into mu square by 2. Here when comes this side, 2 by mu square. What is the mu given? 0.8. So 0.64 divided. So 0.32. These 2 points you can delete. Next, if you see 48, 32 once, we have to take 2 means 64 more. So 1. Remaining is 16 and 5, 165. 165 means 32 to 64 only. Here either 2 or 5 given. What is the 32 5s? 10, 15, 160, but here 165. So 15. Obviously 15.2K. If we get the carrier power, what is the total power PT? PC plus PSB. 15.2, 4.8, yeah, obviously 20. Say how simple we solved without the calculator. See the problem. A 360 watt carrier is simultaneously modulated by 2 audio waves with modulation percentages of 55, 65 respectively. The effective modulation index and the total power radiated are. What is the formula for effective modulation index? Mu t equal to root of mu1 square plus mu2 square. See how I am solving without the calculator. This is 0.55 whole square because percentage given. 0.65 whole square. If we see the option, either 65 or 85. Here, if this value is 0, 0.65 will come. But here some value is there. Definitely what you are getting? More than 65. Are you getting my point or not? More than 6.5 means 8.5 means either this is the option or this is the option. Power we need to calculate. So what is the modulation index effective? 0.85. We got the clarity. What is the total power PT equal to PC? What is the carrier power is given? 360 into 1 plus mu T square, 0.85 whole square by 2. Then how to get 360 plus 360 by 2? 180 into 0.85 into 0.85. Are you following my point? So, if you leave 1 0, 8.5. Are you getting my point? So 8.5 means you can treat as a 9. 18 9s are able to getting or not? So multiplications are also important in solving the ESC problems. Still if you are not getting, I will tell you logic. 18 10s are 180. 9 means how much you will get? 162. So 162 and how much I need to decrease? 0.5. In 160 to 0.5 means half of this one 9. So if you decrease in 160 to 9, then it will be 150 to 154 or 153. Sorry, exactly. So 153 we are getting 153 into 0.85. Are you able to see my point or not? 0.85 means less than 1 or greater than 1, less than 1. Means approximately 90% of 153. Approximately 90% of 153 means, in 153 I am breaking as a 2 parts, 153. What is the 90% of 100? 90. What is the 90% of 53? 40. 90 plus 40, 130. 360 plus 130, 490. You can see the options. Obviously, option A is the correct. Even you can also use the calculator. You will get the exactly same. But this we need to do without calculator. So that's the procedure as shown. See what is the ratio of modulating power to the total power at 100% AM modulation is? What is asking? Modulating power to the total power. Modulating means what, students? Message. Message to the total for 100% of modulation. 100% of modulation means what is the mu value? 1. That is nothing but AM by AC. So mu value 1 means AM AC values are 1. AM AC values are equal. So directly I am taking that ratio. What is they asking? Modulating power means message power. That is m square of T by total power PT. If I take the message is a sinusoidals, what is the m square? AM square by 2R divided by what is the total power? AC square by 2R into 1 plus mu square by 2. Both are same means this and this can be cancelled. Then what is the mu value? 100% modulation means 1. 1 square is 1, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. Are you getting my point? 3 by 2, so it will be 2 by 3. The asking ratio means 2:3. Common models. Of course, I shown the problem of engineering service examination 2013. Similar models also asking in the GATE exam, that you will get those problems in the previous GATE problems. All problems I am solving in that one you can see. Are you getting my point or not? So generally remember this. Side bands to carrier. Anyhow, side bands to total is efficiency. Like different directly you can remember because they are regularly asking. See the problem. An amplitude modulated signal is A plus 0.5 A cos omega mt into cos omega ct. Anyhow, omega m is message signal frequency, omega c is carrier signal frequency, both are in radians. The power efficiency eta is. If you exactly see the expression, if you take A common, that is nothing but AC, 1 plus mu cos omega mt into cos omega ct. Expression number in the list, second expression, the first expression in the singleton AM. Number of times it is asking. If you want, I can also write one more time. What is that expression? SAM of T equal to AC into 1 plus mu cos omega mt into cos omega ct. Now try to compare both. Then what is the mu value? If you take a common, 0.5. What is the efficiency formula? Mu square by 2 plus mu square into 100. If you want percentage, mu value 0.5 square by 2 plus 0.5 square. This will be 11.11%. Same problem also asking in the 2019 IES examination objective paper. So that's my intention of taking this one. So remember the values from 0.1 to up to 1. What is the efficiency values? In the calculation of efficiency also some 6 values I taken, remaining also remember. The peak amplitude of an AM signal varies from 5 volt to 10 volt. Peak amplitude means A max and A minimum. So A minimum is 5, A max is 10. The amplitude of carrier which must be added to attain the modulation index of 0.1. So that the amplitude deviation is the same. First of all, I will explain you about amplitude deviation. For explaining about amplitude deviation, try to recall the formulas of A max and A minimum. A max equal to AC into 1 plus mu. So AC into 1 AC plus AC mu. What is the A minimum formula? A minimum formula is nothing but AC into 1 minus mu. AC into 1 AC minus AC mu. Getting my point or not? Now, so this is A max and A minimum. What is the amplitude deviation? I will tell you. So originally, what is the carrier amplitude before modulation? AC. The amplitude of a carrier before modulation AC, it is becoming either AC mu or it is maybe added with AC mu or subtracting with AC mu. So it is going up to maximum AC plus AC mu or going up to minimum AC minus AC mu. Are you understanding my point or not? The meaning is, try to understand. Original carrier amplitude AC, maybe AC mu is adding or AC mu is deleting. So what is the maximum deviation from AC? How much it is varying from AC is called maximum amplitude deviation. For your clarity understanding, I will take you very simple example. Suppose students, I have 500 rupees in my pocket. I kept this 500 rupees in the cricket betting. If I won, I will get 1000 rupees. If I lost, I will get 0. In that situation, what is the maximum change to my amount? Obviously, 500. Even if I win, I got 1000. Already I have 500. If I lost, I got 0. 500 is becoming 0 means maximum change to my amount is 500. Here also, originally AC, maybe AC mu is adding or AC mu is deleting. So what is the maximum change to the amplitude of a carrier? AC mu. That is called maximum amplitude deviation. So maximum amplitude deviation. What is that, sir? AC mu. What he is saying in this problem? We need to get this modulation index. How much carrier amplitude we have to add? So that model amplitude deviation same in the second case also. So let's take that is AC dash mu dash. What is this AC dash? The total value after adding also, what is the total value will bring? From there we will delete. What is the initial value of AC, sir? AC formula A max plus A minimum by 2 because peak values are given. AC formula is A max plus A minimum by 2. What is the A max value given there? 10, A minimum 5 by 2, 7.5 volt. What is the modulation index, sir? A max minus A minimum by A max plus A minimum. 10 minus 5 by 10 plus 5. Are you getting my point or not? 10 minus 5 means 5 by 15, so 1 by 3. Substitute here, AC value is 7.5, so I can also write 15 by 2 into this is 1 by 3. New value of total value we need to calculate. Next modulation index he is asking 0.1 means 1 by 10 I can write 10. What is the new value of AC dash, students? 3 5s, 15. Where somewhere I'm missing. Yeah, AC dash U1, so its multiplication will comes here. So 15 by 3 is 5. 5 into 10 is 50. By 2 will be 25 is a new value. And what is asking? What must be added? Already how much we have? 7.5. But I want the total value should be 25. So how much we have to add to 7.5 to becoming as 25? This minus this, that is 17.5 watt volts, so not watt. 17.5 you have to add to the previous value to becoming 25. If it is becoming 25, then the modulation index you will get a 0.1. Very logical problem. And this also try to remember the maximum amplitude deviation. Later you will get maximum frequency deviation, very very important term, maximum phase deviation like that in the frequency and phase modulations. See the problem. For the generation of an AM signal we have m of t equal to cos 4 pi into 10 power 4t and carrier C of t equal to 5 cos 2 pi into 10 power 60. Then what would be the relation between the total power PT and the power contained in one of its sideband PS if the modulation index is 0.5. Are you getting my point or not? Follow. And I given the options PT equal to 9 PS, PT equal to 18 PS, PT equal to 17 PS, PT equal to 16 PS. PS is the power in one of the sideband, PT is the total power. What is the total power formula? We have PT equal to PC into 1 plus mu square by 2. Mu value given 0.5. 0.5 square is 0.25 divided by 2, 0.125. 0.125 plus 1, 1.125. 1.125 means we can write as 9 by 8 PC as it is. Then what is the PC value, sir? PC value equal to 8 by 9 PT. Are you following my point or not? He is asking relation between PT and PS. What is the total power PT equal to? The carrier power plus sideband power. So I can say sideband power equal to total power minus carrier power. That is PT minus, what is the carrier power we got? 8 by 9 PT. So it will be 1 by 9 PT. Following my point or not? Now, here PS is given one of the sideband. PSB is the total sideband. One of the sideband means 2 PS equal to 1 by 9 PT. So PT equal to 2 9s are 18 PS. Now see the options. 18 PS means option B. This is also one of the good problem. So here only 3 terms related. PT, PC, mu or PT, PC, PSB. He will ask any one of the 2 terms. So bring one term in those 2, then you can substitute. Here you can also do another model. Bring the relation between from the PC and PSB. From there also you can substitute. So what are the 2 terms there? They have in the options that bring the remaining in those two. An AM transmitter is modulated by a message signal m of t equal to minus 0.2 plus 0.6 sin omega 1t. With AC is 100, Ka value 1. The amplitude of the AM signal varies from option A 60 volt to 100 volt, option B 20 to 120, option C 20 to 140, option D 40 to 140. So what is asking? Amplitude of AM signal varies. Means he is asking A max and A minimum. So first bring the proper expression of the AM. From there we can follow. What is the general expression of AM, students? The general expression of AM is AC into 1 plus Ka into m of t into cos omega ct. Substitute all those and try to bring in a proper manner. AC value is given, student, 100, Ka value given 1, m of t given minus 0.2, plus into minus will be minus 0.2 plus 0.6 sin omega 1t. Don't bother about the phase changes and phase changes and sines I already told, into cos omega ct. If you make as a proper 1 minus 0.2 is 0.8, take 0.8 common, so 80 into 1 plus 0.6 by 0.8 into sin omega 1t into cos omega ct. So what is the new value of AC we got? Is 80, and what is the modulation index? Point will be gone, 2 3s 2 4s. So new value of AC, that is AC dash, you can take 80, and a mu value will be 6 by 8, 2 3s 2 4. And he is asking AM signal varies from, means A max and A minimum. What is the A max? AC into 1 plus mu. AC means here new value. What is A minimum? AC into 1 minus mu. AC means here new value. Substitute there. 80 into 1 plus mu value is 3 by 4. So 4 plus 3, 7 by 4. 4 2s 8. So 20. 7 into 20 is 140. A max is 140. Calculate A minimum. 80 into 1 minus 3 by 4. So it will come as a 20. Getting my point or not? So 20 to 140. 20 to 140 means option C. So first try to bring in a formal manner, standard format. So because he given messages something differently, take the general expression, substitute, bring into the standard format. From there take AC and mu values and substitute the formulas. A 1 megahertz sinusoidal carrier is how much? 1 megahertz sinusoidal carrier is amplitude modulated by a symmetrical square waveform period of 100 microseconds. Which of the following frequencies will not present in the modulated signal? 990K, 1010K, 1020K, 1030K. Here, what is given? Symmetrical square wave of time period 100 microsecond. Time period is 100 microsecond means he is giving, this is nothing but a message. This is a carrier means this is a message. So FM value is 1 by 100 micro, so 10 kilohertz. And what is the property of the, you will clearly understand the signals. Symmetrical square wave in the previously also I told, it is having off phase symmetry. It is having off phase symmetry. Because of that one, no even harmonics. So in the modulated signal, you will have FC plus or minus FM. Anyhow, FC carrier frequency also there. FC plus or minus 3 FM will be there. FC plus or minus 5 FM will be there because it is off phase symmetrical signal, no even harmonics. FC value given 1 mega means 1000 kilo, 1000 plus 10, 1000 minus 10. 1000 plus 30, 1000 minus 30. Like that it will be there. And if you see the options, 1000 minus 10 means 990, 1000 plus 10 means 1010. 1000 plus 3 FM, 30 will come but not the 20. So this is not presented. Which of the following is not presented? 1020. Very, very logical problem. Having half-wave symmetry properties of the Fourier series.